जैसे कि आपकी बुक में भी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स दिए हुए हैं, उसमें से आपको भी कुछ लिखना है। एक टॉपिक हम लिखेंगे, वो है दैट इज अ विजिट टू द जू। So while writing a narrative composition, you should remember this thing, that it should have at least 3 paragraphs. You can write more if you want to, but not less than 3 paragraphs. Okay? So, today we are writing about a visit to the zoo. In the first paragraph, what we include? We include in the introduction. In the introduction, we will take what kind of day was it? ये दिन जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं वो कैसा था? Why you decided to go to the zoo? आप उसी दिन आप जू जाना क्यों चाह रहे थे? क्यों गए आप जू? Who went with you? और आपके साथ कौन कौन गया? So देखो बच्चों, I have given it to you and we start it in this way. In the introduction paragraph, we will take it like this. Last weekend, my father wanted to take us out somewhere. So we decided to go to the zoo. My mother made some sandwiches and packed some fruits. Father took his camera along and we all left for the zoo. Outside, it was warm and sunny. After an hour's drive, we reached the zoo. The place was crowded. There were vendors selling balloons, caps, eatables and lot of other things. Eatables, खाने योग्य बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप सारी चीज़ों को मेंशन करें. ईटेबल्स मीन सभी कुछ आ जाता है. समोसे हो सकते हैं, पॉपकॉर्न्स हो सकते हैं, चॉकलेट्स हो सकती हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें that will all come in eatable section, right? So in the first paragraph, what we took? Introduction, है ना, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया. In the second paragraph, what we include? Body of the narrative composition. What did you see there? आप जू गए तो आपने वहाँ क्या देखा? What did you hear? What did you do? And what did you feel? This is the most important thing. What did you feel there? These ideas can be split up in more than one paragraph. अब ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप नरेटिव राइटिंग में बहुत सारा एक चीज़ का डिटेल दें. Those moments, those things which are very important, that you have to mention. Okay, so we will start it like this. My father bought 3 tickets and we all walked into the zoo. Inside, we boarded a small train which took us around the park. Boarded, we got the ticket and we sit in the train. We visited a tiger, lion, bear, shut in the cages. Cages, you know, जो उनके पिंजरे होते हैं. We were frightened at the roar of the lion. You know very well, frightened, डर गए, घबरा गए. Roar of the lion, जो शेर दहाड़ता है उससे, right? We saw some hippos and rhino. Deer were wandering freely. आपने देखा होगा ना, जू में हिरन जो है वो घूमते रहते हैं आराम से एक बड़े से केज में, एक बड़े से एरिया में.